guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning back in for another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison between two exfoliating shampoo scrubs from two different brands. Now this is just going to be a comparison and final thought video. I have already previously shot a video giving you the specs and the highlights of these products, so definitely check out that video if you haven't already. And also in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys which product I like the best, which one performs the best, which one I will recommend. I'll be checking to see which product has the most scrub action, the most scrubation, if you will. I'll also be checking the lather difference, the slip, if my scalp feels clean, if my hair feels clean, if my scalp feels exfoliated, how gentle the products are, how well they remove buildup, if it's low porosity friendly, if it's curl friendly, and overall the quality of my hair and how my hair feels once the products are washed out. I'm a firm believer in scalp care. I feel it's very critical, very important that you take care of your scalp first before you actually take care of your hair. It starts with your scalp first. If your scalp is not where it should be, if it's blocked, if it's clogged, if it's packed with impurities, product buildup, your hair is not going to grow, it's not going to flourish. So it's very important that you really get into your scalp really well, make sure it's very cleansed and declogged from all of those impurities. So these are the two products I'll be comparing today. The first product is from the company textureid. This is from their dry hair and scalp relief with eucalyptus line. This is an exfoliating shampoo and scalp scrub. And this product claims to gently exfoliate, loosening impurities and buildup on the hair and scalp. And it contains aloe and cocoa butter. And the second product is from the company Love Beauty and Planet. This is the charcoal and bergamot Delightful Detox sulfate-free shampoo scrub with natural coconut husk. I'll put the textureid on the right side and the Love Beauty and Planet on the left side. So this will be my first time experiencing a shampoo scrub. I've never used a shampoo scrub before. So this will be my first real reaction to these products, and you guys will also get to experience my reaction for the first time using these products. So I'm super excited to get started. So we're going to go ahead and jump on into this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm ready to give you my final thoughts on both of these products. So first and foremost, both of these products, just to remind you again, are shampoo scrubs, exfoliating shampoo scrubs. But clearly, one shammed and one pooed. So on the left side, I used the Love Beauty and Planet, and that one lathered up as soon as I started applying it to my scalp. The shampoo scrub from textureid did not lather at all. As soon as I applied it on my hair, I was like, where's the product? So I worked it in, still no lather. Now initially when I tested the product, I tested it between both my fingers and I felt a little bit of a scrub. It was a very light scrub. So as soon as I started working into my hands, no scrub. It was just cream. No shampoo, no suds, no bubble, no nothing. No lather. Now the product felt good on my scalp. It felt really good. It started feeling very cooling and kind of tingling just a little bit. I didn't feel any exfoliation. I just felt a very cooling, soothing sensation. My scalp felt clean or felt like it was, I don't know what it felt like. I don't know what it felt like. It felt cleansing, but I didn't get the cleaning action in terms of the exfoliation. So I would say I like my hair. It did not feel like it was sitting on my hair. It felt like it was absorbing, was penetrating my hair. It does say it's a gentle exfoliation, but there was just no exfoliation. I mean, gentle, yes, but I didn't feel any exfoliation. But I did have some edge control around my edges. I felt like it cleaned it, but did it really get it out of my pores and really purify that out of my pores? I would say no. It left my hair and scalp feeling good, smelling good. It smells really, really good. I don't know. I just feel like it missed the mark on the whole exfoliation. I thought that was the whole point. My bad. This product was $8.99. Was it worth it? No. Another thing I found that I did not like about this product is it has silicones in it. So if you're looking for something that doesn't have silicones, this is not it. And the word is so long, I can't even pronounce it. It just ends in the word cone. Now for the Love Beauty and Planet. So as soon as I started applying this product to my hair, well, actually, let me back up. As soon as I touched this product, rubbed it into my hands, I still felt the exfoliating beads. As soon as I applied it to my hair, I saw the lather, I saw the suds, I saw the shampoo. That's what I was looking for. So if it says shampoo, I'm looking for poo. I'm looking for suds. I'm looking for bubbles, because that, in my mind, that's what shampoo is. So this one was $6.99, and it is every much worth the price. I'll just be upfront honest with you. It is every much worth the price. This was excellent. This was good. It did the job. I felt like it was doing the job. I could feel the scrubbing. I could feel, and it was a gentle scrub, but I can feel the exfoliation on my scalp the whole way, and then finally it started to dissolve. But I still felt that initial exfoliation. I felt that cleansing against my scalp as I was applying it to my hair. It also has a very cooling, soothing, and tingling sensation, more so than the one from textureid. So this side of my hair, the left-hand side of my head, is still tingling, but it's not like it's burning. It's just like a real cooling, tingling sensation, like a peppermint type of a feel. Feels really, really good. Now the only con is I felt like the more water I put in my hair to try to lather it up more, it kind of felt drying. So I feel like this one is going to be more of a stripping feel, so I'm going to have to immediately put some moisture, some conditioner on this once I rinse it out. This side felt a little bit more softer. The right side felt a little bit more softer, did not feel stripped of my natural oil. But this was actually really, really good. It smells amazing. It leaves my scalp. My scalp feels clean. I feel like it really cleansed my scalp really well. Gosh, it smells good. Now this is one I would definitely go back and purchase. This is one I would recommend. This is one I would say is worth the money. And I really feel that with the gentle exfoliation that I was getting with this product, that it was really lifting the impurities and any product buildup off of my scalp, off of my hair, and it just felt really, really amazing. So I'm very well pleased with the shampoo scrub from Love, Beauty, and Planet. I have to get used to saying that. But again, this was my first time ever using this particular brand. textureid, I've used their brand before, but that was my first time using their shampoo scrub. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and wash both products out of my hair completely, and then I'm just going to come back and just tell you how my hair feels, if it feels dried out, if it feels stripped, but I'll give you all that info once I come back. On the right side, where I use the textureid, my hair feels very soft, feels very smooth, feels very good actually, even though I didn't really feel much of an effect from the initial application of the product. My hair does feel very smooth, very, very soft, very moisturized actually. Now on the right side, on the right side, even though the right side is the product I like the most, my hair feels more coarser. It definitely doesn't feel as soft as the right side. So it definitely feels more coarser, more shrunken. It feels very squeaky clean. This one has more of a squeak, more of a clean feel to it. So both sides definitely are going to need a very good deep condition, and that's what I'm going to do here in just a moment. If I had to suggest a product to pick up if you're looking for a good shampoo scrub, I would definitely go with the Love, Beauty, and Planet over the textureid. So that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the battle of the shampoo scrubs. And I hope that my video was informative enough for you to make the best decision for your hair and for your scalp. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys!